This is Buttery and Ambush. How to good home cookies. Rolling home cookies instead have torches and have excellent food. And to try and make the possible work difficult to do expensive and empty salads. Going at every 10 with one up here, we have to do this. We will go to the torches. As explained there. And so, and just down improvements to help the boss also. As you see, and don't confuse it, I don't know how to have a combination because this is just a box of and this is the one with a tree house on it. It's right there. And then this tree. And the tree house up here, so it's good for you. And then the tunnels, and yeah, let's figure out size and yeah, so that is home. And this is actually staying. This is make it look like here to the wall. I actually find the tree. There's a bunch of other stuff. As you can see, I don't like that. This like tree steps and other trees. You don't have to do it. I feel like I will do that some style. So let's try it. And that's definitely and the other thing I'm improving, I was like bad upon him. I'm actually good and I drew it with bad, black. So it would be really go down. All the shapes of my they don't just change and find the lines because I just want to turn my off, turn my here. So I find the lines to straight down. And then you can mine this one and this shine. It's cool, right? Oh, and if you guys had trouble able to get finding coins, you can find in this bottle. Check out some coins. Yeah, see, I just got coins. Or is that the only thing the stupid noises? And I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed it, recommend and another great improvement of the well, it's not really I just looking at improvement like plant trees that see what see the curve and I recommend just everywhere because it keep not to help the larger sponging area larger correctly because that's a tree for type half of my house right here. So I hope you like this video. Hope you get more views, watch their videos, and boom. So hope you liked it. Please subscribe.